Good morning, goeiemorgen Dumelang. Welcome back to the journey. It's been a while. I missed you guys, and we need to get that SUV going to trade up from the tablet. Those of you who's new to the journey, we started with a tablet that I got for free, and we're trading that up to a SUV for the missus. And yeah, we've got 5,250 rand now in the bank. We sold the amp, and then we've sold the a small amplifier. The point of sale system is coming back. The guy got a great deal on another system practically for free. So I'm glad for him. So let's get going. So firstly, what are we gonna buy now? What are we gonna buy? Does anybody have anything great to buy? A good deal for 5,250. We want to double up our money. If you want to want to get scammed and you want to get rid of something, speak to me. I'll sort you out, and then it'll be part of the journey. Then secondly, thank you for all the messages. There's about 15 people now already that started buying and selling things that's in the cupboard, and they're making good money. Even part-time. I mean, they're not doing it full-time. They've all got jobs, thank goodness. And a lot of them, they're just telling me, hey, I'm just gonna keep on doing this and trading it up till it's in a house. So good for you. I'm glad for you. Things are happening. And then we'll probably wait also for that auction for month end to get a few good buys. We'll try to double up before then. And then we've got good old faithful cash converters and Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna go boer nou bietjie daar, so I'm gonna go look at what's happening, and then we'll get a good buy. So thank you for all the beautiful messages and all the calls. It was so great connecting to people that I haven't spoken to in years. So yes, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you soon. Let's get going. Let's get that SUV for the missus. Yeah, we'll see what we'll buy. See you soon.